Welcome back again, Bitcoin World Crypto. Today we are discussing RBX. The next evaluation is here. This is the second part of the video. In this part we will discuss powered by Carbon. Carbon is the basic layer of everything do with the RBX, acting both umbrella brand and technology provider. Carbon engineers all the functionality of the RBX ecosystem, providing a separation between R&D and practical market application. While Carbon is a governance asset, it is also derives value from accumulated revenue. Each Carbon token is backed by continuously expanding portfolio of digital asset generated from the ecosystem economic activity. This creation an ever-growing and stable source of value, allowing anyone to own a piece of the what we do and each of the venture we undertake. They will launch their dApp too. When you click on launch dApp, this is the page. You can visit it. One RBX price token is 0.14 cent, and this is the dashboard of RBX launcher. When you click on Ethereum mainnet, simply click on it and you can see different blockchains are connected with RBX. And this is multi-chain task. When you click on it, you can use it. Stake and farm option. You can connect your wallet here and can start your staking and farming with RBX. And this is bridge. Click on bridge and you can use this bridge. And this is vesting claims, limit orders, and add to MetaMask. Simply connect your wallet and can use this RBX launcher. This is RBX exchange, staking, liquidity manager, multi-chain bridge, on-ramp aggregator, limit orders, UX beta, 7-day volume detail, and this is eco TVL detail. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like this video, and its bounty is live. You can join its bounty. Thanks for watching.